Gorilla. She, you know what I'm saying? She did just be on my mind.
$1 million vision, they won't see it how you see it. Them folk for nothing, just believe in me. Cause what I'm bringing to the table, man, we y'all can say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me.
My 15 minutes up. I'm only 15 minutes in. What's up, besties? Did y'all miss me or not? I'm back with another one. So today, I'm gonna be trying out Mexican candy. I know it's Black History Month, but I'm an African American, a proud African American, trying me some Mexican candy. So we gonna see what's to it. Hold on, let's see. I ain't gonna say nothing negative. Well, not too negative. I'm gonna try to keep it very positive. Positive as much. And I'm not even gonna spit out my candy. I'm gonna eat it no matter what. I don't feel like y'all candy gonna be nasty. But I'm gonna tell y'all when I get there. Okay. 1 out of 10. I'm finna try this on it too. 1 out of 10. I'm gonna give it about a 4 because I didn't see nothing on here that told me this was gonna be spicy. I seen a watermelon. Where did the spice come from? But I'm gonna open up this pack and I'm gonna put it on now. It just fell on my leg. I'm always doing something. I'm surprised, like, I don't be shitting up a motherfucking storm. I said no spitting out. What was that? Okay. If I'm supposed to use that on there, what did I give it? A 3 or 4? I'm gonna give it a firm 1. A 1. What was that? But hey, we're gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna try out this sucker. I said no spitting out, but okay, let me start by saying this, y'all. If I want some seasoning, I'm gonna give me a taco from a restaurant, bro. On my piece of candy, I don't want to taste no spices. I don't want to taste no spices. And I just bought this bag of this stuff. Let's see what's to this. It don't look bad. Okay. I was thinking like bananas. It was gone. This gone. It's bubble gum. This gum, okay. That's good. That's what I need. You ain't trying that no more. That was good. Banana bubble gum, but I should knew this said like bubble gum. I could do that all day. Now, we know this some type of lime. And y'all want me to just sprinkle this in my mouth? Y'all want me to just sprinkle this in my mouth? Oh, this sucker. We're not even gonna rate that because it don't even deserve a rating. Why would I? Salt, lemon powder, it says up here. Why do y'all wanna make this face all damn day? Like, what is wrong with y'all? trying, y'all. I'm trying. But what is this shit? We know this is bubble gum. I know that's bubble gum. We're not trying no more. This is why y'all be having high blood pressure. What the fuck is this shit? What is this? What is it? No, y'all heard like, why she open this one mouth? Mind your business. This is some more seasoning. This is a seasoning ball, so you ask me. I already show y'all this. Not finna cute. Eating all these damn seasoning balls, y'all. What the fuck? Okay. Well, it said pina colada flavor. I like pina colada now. Now this is good. Now this, I know I had stop rating. All that, yeah. This is good. I like pina colada now. So I get that about a 1 out of 10. I'm gonna give it about a 6. This really means black power. Let's not do too much, but we know it's our month, so shit. Hey, cherish it while you can, because our days are coming up. Our days are ending. Panda. Okay. Strawberry and cherry is out. It's good. I never had strawberry and cherry mix. Okay. I get that about them. It'll get a 4-5, but it's better than the ones with the seasoning on it. Stop putting spices on candy. We don't want no spices on no candy. I should already have this stuff picked out. Okay, let's see what's to it. It's good. I get that whole thing. This is a little hard now. This is a little hard now. What is this? It says watermelon. Y'all stuff. It says watermelon, but no, y'all can't forget y'all seasoning now. I'm pretty sure what's on my mouth. With y'all, bro. This is Fear Factor. Fear is not a factor for me. Come on, y'all, let's get it. That there. We're gonna keep that at a 1. Anything with spices is getting a 1. Because why is y'all steady putting spices on? My chest hurt now. Why is y'all putting that stuff on there? What did I do? stick to the stuff you know. Only thing I can say, please stick to what we know, honey. I love these suckers. That them, I don't even know what's in there, but that is nasty. It'll get a 1. I like these kind of suckers. Y'all know what type of suckers I'm talking about. I still got that in my mouth. And y'all did this to it. This get a negative. Because why would you do this to my favorite sucker? Why would y'all do this to my favorite sucker? Why would y'all do that? What was the point? What was the point? I already know what it is. It get a negative. I'm not even eating that. It get a negative. It don't even, it is not a solid 1. None of that. Because why would you put seasoning on candy? Now don't get me wrong, y'all. I like hot tamales. I like hot tamales. Should I whisper this here? I like hot tamales. I do, but I don't want no seasoning on my goddamn candy. If I want some seasoning, I'll go make me a goddamn steak. The fuck? Don't put no seasoning on my stuff. This look like this gonna be good. Now, let's see what's to it. Y'all, it's a lot of candy. It's 51 pieces in there. It smells good. I'm feeling a little sick though, because this shit been nasty. Okay. So I'm supposed to eat this. I'm supposed to just go out here. It's good though. This should get about we give it a 4. I'm trying to get to the bottom. Let's get to the good stuff. I don't need nothing that I didn't try it already. My chest hurt. So I'm trying to tell y'all, all these spices is not for everybody. Stop. We don't want no spices on our stuff. How the fuck I supposed to get this off of here? Let's see, y'all. Okay. What y'all think at the bottom of this? What type of spices? It look like it's something good now. Let's see. I say I like hot tamales. I do not like red peppers. I do not like them, Sam I am. I spoke too goddamn soon. I said I like hot tamales. But I don't like that. And I don't like, okay. This here, I'm using this. I'm using this for my food later on. Because I need these type of spices on my food for later on. And this gonna get about a negative 35. Because why the fuck is that fucking spicy? Why is that spicy? Who the fuck go in the store and say, I need me I don't even know the fucking name of that. But who the fuck go in there and say that and then walk around that bitch eating candy, your motherfucking mouth spicy as fuck? Go get a bag of motherfucking hot flamers for that. Okay, now, this some type of chocolate mushroom. Not mushroom, what the fuck? I ain't doing no shrooms now. Marshmallow. Why the fuck I say... Don't hold me to it, bro. That goddamn spicy shit then fucked up my goddamn brain cells. I don't like marshmallows. Okay. That'll get a shit. I give it a. I'm gonna give it a 2 because it ain't spicy. Shit. Let's see what's to this, y'all. Let's see what's to it. Let's see what's to it. Don't mind me. I'm just trying it out for y'all. How the fuck I supposed to open this shit? That's how you know I got big breasts. Okay, whatever. And I just supposed to squeeze this out like this, y'all. Ain't nobody squeezing that out. Because ain't nobody... Who the fuck say that expire? Okay. I could barely taste that shit. I'm not taking no gulp of this shit. That shit dead. How do y'all put seasoning on candy? Do not put no seasoning on my candy. Okay. Anything with seasoning, what did I say again? Say it with me. A 1. Now. Let me see what's to this. This is like it's gonna be decent. You know, suckers like this be decent. Okay, look at it. Looking American. This look very American now, y'all. It's good. Okay. Okay, now Rico. Let's see what's to you, Rico. I'm trying to put no Rico cases out here now. Let's see what's to him. That's the sun on him. This ain't no... Wait, I don't see it. Let's see what's to it. I'm gonna swallow some now. That was good. Okay. Okay. This like a how many licks does it take to get to the fucking spices? Did y'all see the spices in this shit before I start eating it? You tricked me. Okay, but it was decent until I got to the spices. So, okay, before I got to the spices, it would have got about a 4. It was good. Then when I got to the spices, it went down. Boop, boop, boop. We're gonna give it a 1. Sorry. Why are you throwing spices on anything? Stop throwing spices on stuff, honey. I think I already tried this. Actually, I did. Did I? That. Oh. So we know what this is already. It says chili layer and gum center lollipop. So y'all putting chili on this candy. I'm not finna sit here. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Maybe it's good because it don't look bad. Hold on. It says chili layer though. The rest of this stuff, this how this other stuff looking that we don't like. I was gonna put this whole damn thing on my mouth. You a motherfucking lie. We not gonna fuck myself up like that. But it's like I ain't even tasting it, right, y'all? So let me taste. not even do that. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's to this one. This pineapple. Alright. This was a fucking cucumber. I don't know what the fuck I thought this shit was. This is a fucking cucumber. It was good though. This is probably like natural fruits, huh? This is a pineapple, but I'm gonna just suck it into the spices. What? That's what she said, right? But I'm gonna just. It tastes good. I'm not tasting until I get to no spices. Y'all, I'm gonna have a heart attack before I go to bed. And my baby gonna be up and I'm being this bitch just passed out because I'm steady eating all this weird shit. But there's a pineapple forever. It is good. Just leave it like that. Why do we need spices with everything? Well, they did say like cayenne pepper and stuff is supposed to be like good for you, but I don't want it on my candy. Y'all don't even make the tacos spicy. Why is y'all making the candy spicy? But okay, let's see. Let's see what else we got for y'all. And it's like, I only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candies that I done fucked with out of all these candies. How many candies I done tried? Okay, look at this. Make sure y'all ain't tricking me because y'all just been wilding. Real good though. This is good, so. This is good. Okay. Look at y'all. Y'all approving. Look at y'all. That'll get about a 5, 6. I like blueberry. There's another one of y'all goddamn spice balls. God damn it. I don't want it. Man, I guess this is what I signed up for. I ain't even tasting this shit, y'all. I'm not putting that inside my mouth, but then I throw up on camera, y'all. Make it make sense. Okay, let's see. Gotta see, because this says there's something on the inside of that. Now, if I chew this up and y'all leave me a real nasty treat, it's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna fight whoever the fuck sold me this candy. This mango. We're going right into this shit. Haha, made you fuck. Motherfuckers got me. I knew it. I motherfucking knew it. Why y'all doing that to that candy? Why is y'all doing that to that candy? We're gonna try a piece of gum to take away the taste of all this in my mouth. That's what we're gonna do. I used to eat this gum all the time. Never knew it was Mexican. But let's experiment too, y'all. But anyway, life's great. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and come back for more. Hit that bell at the top.